Subscribe, like, and share with your friends for more videos. GVV Show.
Hi viewers, welcome to my favorite channel GVV Show, Basic English Grammar. We already discussed in previous classes word, sentence, parts of speech. In parts of speech there are 8, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Then I discuss articles. There are 3 articles, a and the, and voices, active voice and passive voice, tenses, past tense, present tense and future tense. And we discussed already speeches, direct speech and indirect speech, and some pair words, to, not only but also, neither nor, either or, if, but. These are all pair of words using how to use in sentences. I already discussed. And today I am going to discuss one short period, punctuation. So, punctuation is very important for English grammar. So, any writing, any sort of summary and paragraph, we have to follow the punctuation. So, what is the punctuation? Punctuation means capital. Capital. Number 2, full stop. Number 3, semicolon, colon. Number 4, exclamatory. Number 5, capital letter, full stop, semicolon, exclamatory, and hyphen. That means like this is hyphen, oblique. So these are not important. So up to 4 it's very important in punctuation. So when we are starting, so I am giving explanation and full details of this punctuation. So when we are starting one summary, one story, so you must write. I think this is a page. So first of all you write not from margin starting. You leave some space and you start once upon a time. Once upon a time there lived a. You start like this. So what I am telling is, whenever you start a lesson or summary or a story, you have to write you leave some space from margin. So first letter must be capital. You are starting, that is the punctuation. This is the capital, O capital. Then one sentence is over, you must put full stop. Full stop. This is capital. Semicolon. That means comma. What you say, comma. So exclamatory. This is exclamatory. So when a sentence complete, you must be put full stop. Lived a king named Ashoka. So full stop. Then you write he. He was. So like this story. So I am explaining briefly. So you have to write whenever starting a story or summary, you write a capital letter. Once upon a time, one day. So there was, so all these you started like this. So your starting letter is capital. So you leave from some space from margin. You write like this. Once upon a time there lived a king named Ashoka. Ashoka is a capital because it's a noun. So you have to noun letters, you have to write first name is capital. So irrespective of full stop, you write anyway capital noun. When it come noun, you write must capital letter. First letter is capital. So Ashoka, then full stop. After full stop, we have to write what sentence it may be. You write capital. He H means capital. After full stop, capital. Then in midway, whenever noun came, you write capital. So then the story continue. After long, one paragraph is over. He was king of kings. King of kings. So then I have to change. I think I must be changed some paragraph. Then you start paragraph, same thing, you leave some space from margin. So he was the ruler of Kalinga. So Kalinga also capital, K capital. So he was the ruler of Kalinga. So then, so what you observed in the punctuation? So once upon a time there lived a king named Ashoka. So up to this you have to put full stop. This is one sentence. So in this sentence we found some capitals. Once upon a time starting letter is capital and Ashoka it came in middle. So it is a noun. So that's why we are using capital. After full stop we have to write capital letter. So capital letter, he was king of kings. Then I wish to change paragraph. Paragraph change, you have to start with capital. Rule of Kalinga. Kalinga also one kingdom name that is called capital also. We must put K. These are the punctuation. So just I discussed where the capital use, starting letter after full stop. So you have to write capital starting letter, paragraph change after full stop and paragraph change. With this you have to write capital irrespective of paragraph, irrespective of full stop. When noun form came, one noun came, you have to write capital. In punctuation we discussed capital and full stop. Then I am going to discuss how to use exclamatory. In story, oh, what a surprise. Surprise, the king changed his mind and left the battle. So when ho came, wow came, hooray came, you must put exclamatory sentence. What a surprise! The king changed his mind and left the battle. So here we understood that the king Ashoka fought. So many people died. their blood flow like a river. Then he changed his mind. He fed up with the battle and changed his mind. So he took Bauddha Dharma for peace. So this is the Ashoka's brief story. How the king is there and fight. So many people died in the war, and the people's blood was flowed like a river. So in front of him, then he realized that he done a violence. So then he changed his mind and left the battle. He lived a peace, simple peace man, and he took Bauddha Dharma for sociological peace. So in this wow means here you put exclamatory, and so just now as I dictate punctuation, where use capital and where use full stop, where use exclamatory, all these punctuation it comes. So